Right.
pass it on. It only takes dedication to get an ACT training, and soon all those around will envy and admire you. That's how it is with Baobab training. Once you've experienced it, you spread the knowledge to everyone you want to pass it on. I wish for you, my friends, this knowledge that I have found. You can depend on fire, but it matters not what you do. You shout it from the mountain top. Once you've experienced it, fire pop training has come to us. We want to